A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will discuss some questions related to complex number. So class, see. Question is, find the additive inverse of additive inverse of 3 minus 4i. We have to solve the additive inverse of 3 minus 4i. Means this is the complex number format and we have to find additive inverse. So see the solution. The additive inverse of z is minus z, such that z minus z is equal to 0. So let z is equal to 3 minus 4i. So three minus 4i minus z, we have to put value of z at this place is equal to 0. So z will be equal to what result? We have to add z is minus z. So additive inverse, we have to add those complex number in this complex number, so result you will get 0. So plus z, we have to get 0. So result will be z is equal to minus times 3 plus 4i. Minus times 3 plus 4i. So z will be equal to minus 3 minus 4i. This is the additive inverse of 3 minus 4i. Additive inverse of 3 minus 4i. Now this is the answer. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is, now additive inverse of minus 3 minus 4i is minus 3 plus 4i. Now this is the answer. Now come to the next question. The next question is, find the square root of 5 minus 12i. Square root of 5 minus 12i. So first of all, we will consider, let z is equal to, z with a number that is root over 5 minus 12i, and we have to find value of z such that z is equal to x plus iy for all x comma y belongs to real. Clear? So we have considered x plus iy is equal to 5 minus 12i. Now squaring both sides, so x plus iy is equal to 5 minus 12i, and this result will be x square minus y square plus 2xyi is equal to 5 minus 12i. And when you will compare, it's a real part, so you will get x square minus y square is equal to 5, and 2xy is equal to minus 12. Clear? This implies xy will be equal to minus 6, and x square minus y square is equal to 5. Now we have to find x and y by using this equation. So you can see, consider this is equation 1 and equation 2. From equation 2, what we can write, value of y is minus 6 by x. So result will be, from equation 1 and 2, x square minus, this is minus 6 by x whole square is equal to 5, and calculation will be x to the power 4 minus 36 is equal to 5x square. So result will be x to the power 4 minus 5x square minus 36 is equal to 0. Now factor will be 5 and 9. 9 4 are 36. So what will be the factor? X square minus 9x to the power 4 minus 9x square plus 4x square minus 36 is equal to 0. This implies x square plus 4 and x square minus 9. Now its result, square number cannot be equal to less than 0, so this will not be equal to 0, this we have to equal to 0, so x square will be equal to 9, so x value will be equal to plus minus 3. So x value we can write, x is equal to plus minus 3, and so x is equal to plus minus 3. So what will be the value of y? See, value of y, when you will put x is equal to plus minus 3, so you can get the value x is equal to plus 3, then you will get value of y is minus 2. So value of y will be plus minus 2. This implies y is equal to plus minus 2. When you will put x is equal to 3, then you will get y is equal to minus 2, and x is equal to minus 3, then you will get y is equal to plus. So result will be minus plus 2. Now complex number will be, complex number, what we can write, complex number will be plus minus or its square root. At the place of x you will put plus minus 3, at the place of y you will put plus minus 2. So complex number z form of x plus iy. So square root will be, now z we can write plus minus 3 and minus plus 2i. This is the format. So plus minus, when you will take common, so result will be minus 2i. Means z is equal to, we can write plus minus 3 minus 2i. 3 minus 2i. Now this is the answer. Now this question is clear.
स्क्वायर रूट कौन सा होगा, यही होगा आंसर.
Now next question is question number 3. Now question number 3 is, evaluate x to the power 4 minus 3x cube plus 3x square plus 99x minus 95 when x is equal to 3 minus 4i. When x is equal to 3 minus 4i. So this is our question. We have to evaluate. We have to evaluate x to the power 4 minus 3x cube plus 3x square plus 99x minus 95 is equal to question mark. Means when x is equal to 3 minus 4i, we have to evaluate this expression, and given value is this. So first of all, given x is equal to 3 minus 4i, this is given. With the help of this term, what we can calculate? X minus iy, you know the formula of a minus b whole square. So we can split it. X minus, we can write x minus 3 is equal to minus 4i, and then squaring both the sides. So expand by using a minus b whole square. What will we get the result? X square plus 9 minus 6x is equal to 16. I square means minus 16. And the result will be x square minus 6x plus 25 is equal to 0. Is it clear? Now we have to split this expression in terms of this. So what we have to do? Not find x. Now see, this is the expression value. We have to simplify. X to the power 4 minus 3x cube plus 3x square plus 99x minus 95. Now this one we can write x square in bracket x square minus 6x plus 25 and plus this is minus 6x cube, result will be plus 3x cube, same, and 25x square is here. Now this is 3x square, so we can write minus 22x square. And now with plus sign or minus terms, we can simplify. Now we can write this format: x square minus 6x plus 25 into sign with x square minus 3x minus 4. Format. And plus 5, because this is 25 into 4 minus 100 and plus 5, 95. Now we know x square minus 6x plus 25 result is 0. So x square minus 3x minus 4 plus 5 is equal to, result will be only 5. So 5 is the answer. 5 is the answer. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 4. Now question number 4 is if a plus ib whole square is equal to x plus iy, then prove that x square plus y square is equal to a plus b, or a square plus b square whole square. This is our proof. So in this question, this is given x a plus ib whole square is equal to x plus iy whole square. Now we have to prove x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square whole square. Now see, given a plus ib whole square is equal to x plus iy. Now by using a plus b whole square formula, we can split it. So a square minus b square plus 2 times iab, result we can write, or I to ab result we can write x plus iy. Now equating real and imaginary part. Equating real part, equating real and imaginary part. So a square minus b square is equal to x, and this is 2ab is equal to y. Now a square or x square, x square we can write a square minus b square whole square, and y square we can write 2ab whole square. So x square plus y square is equal to a square minus b square whole square plus 2 times ab whole square. Now this one we can write a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 minus 2a square b square plus 4 times a square b square. The result will be x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square whole square. Hence proof. Hence proved. Now this question is completed. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number 5. Now question number 5 is suppose you have to simplify solve, and you have the given question, that is 2 minus 3i whole upon 3 minus 4i, 4 minus 3i. So what we have to do in this question? Or I am writing in the form of a plus ib. So given z is equal to 2 minus 3i whole upon 4 minus 3i. Now we have to rationalize. So 2 minus 3i whole upon 4 minus 3i, result will be 4 plus 3i whole upon 4 plus 3i. And now its result will be 8 plus 6i minus 12i minus 9i square whole upon, this is 16 and plus 9. Result will be 25. Now 8, this is plus 9, that is 17, and now minus 6i whole upon 25. Now in the form of a plus iv format, z is equal to 17 by 25 plus I sorry minus 6 by 25. So in this question, in this solution, this is the answer. Now in this answer, what is the real part of z? suppose you have asked real part of z. So what you will do? Real part of z is 17 by 25. And now suppose imaginary part of z, result is minus 6 by 25. Minus 6 by 25. This is the real and plus imaginary. Now this question is completed.